Hello everyone, back again to Balination channel. Today we are going to talk about a very popular waterfall in Bali. It's called the Tibumana Waterfall. This waterfall is located in Bangli Regency, north of Bali. First we will talk about the access. The road is a bit narrow, but still can be accessed by car. Along the road to the parking area, you will be presented by rice fields on the left and right. Very pleasant view indeed. The entrance fee when we were there was 15,000 rupiah, which is less than $1. Next is the way down. The way down is not hard, and relatively easy. It's also a beautiful and fun walk. The nature is also amazing during the walk.
Lay on the carpet, eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me onto the street like at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. But honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden.
Once you reach the waterfall, you will be presented with a great view of the Tibumana Waterfall itself. If you need to swim and change, don't worry, as they also have toilet by the waterfall. Well, that is all for now, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss our next video. Thank you.